When you create a new role or user in Postgres, there is a chance that passwords can appear in your Postgres logs. Here is a sample create role command. We are creating test role with this password, and as you can see in the Postgres log, the password is recorded. This can expose sensitive passwords, and in this demo we are going to see how to avoid that. Sometimes when you create users in Postgres, passwords can appear in logs. In this video we're going to demonstrate such a scenario and see how to fix that. To begin with, we're going to issue this command, which is going to reset pgstat statements. And then we'll create a test role. Creating new user is a typical DBA task, and normally DBAs use a command like this to create a new role or user in Postgres. But if you do this and if you have log statement set to all or DDL, the passwords are going to appear in your Postgres logs. Let us see that. And we go to 14, and then basically here you can see that the literal password appears here in the log. The plain text password appears in the Postgres log. So depending on your logging settings, sometimes this can happen, and it's not good to see those sensitive passwords in your logs. And how can we mitigate this? Apart from that, it can also appear in pgstat statements. You can see that the password appears in pgstat statements output as well. So this is a security issue, and make sure that you don't create roles this way. Instead, there are other ways. You just create a role without password, for example like this, test role 1, and then use this command to give the password. Now if you check your logs, you can see that instead of the plain text we see a hash. So this is how you can mitigate this scenario, and next time when you create a role in Postgres, make sure that you don't follow the regular method of creating role with the plain text password. The other possible fixes are using pgaudit extension or using hash instead of the plain text password, but this is a simple and easy fix if you want to use it.